Hello guys, this is Aarthi from S. Kumar Views and I welcome you all to this session. I have created many popular courses on our channel. You will want to develop a cool project after learning the basics. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and the bell down below so you don't miss any of our new lessons, and don't forget to share this into your friends. This is a Python program to check if a number is a strong number. Problem description: the program takes a number and checks if it is a strong number. Problem solution: 1. Take in an integer and store it in a variable. 2. Using two while loops, find the factorial of each of the digits in the number. 3. Then sum up all the factorials of the digits. 4. Check if the sum of the factorials of the digits is equal to the number. 5. Print the final result. 6. Exit. Here is source code of the Python program to check if a number is a strong number. Program explanation: 1. User must enter the number and store it in a variable. 2. A copy of the original number is made, as the original value will get altered in the later course of the program. 3. Using a while loop, each of the digits of the numbers is obtained. 4. Then the other while loop is used to find the factorial of the individual digits and store it in a sum variable. This is a Python program to print all numbers in a range without using loops. Problem description: the program takes in the upper limit and prints all numbers within the given range using recursive function. Problem solution: 1. Define a recursive function. 2. Define a base case for that function that the number should be greater than 0. 3. If number is greater than 0, call the function again with the argument as the number minus 1. 4. Print the number. 5. Exit. Here is source code to print all numbers in a range without using loops. Program explanation: 1. User must enter the upper limit of the range. 2. This value is passed as an argument for the recursive function. 3. The base case for the recursive function is that number should always be greater than 0. 4. If number is greater than 0, function is called again with the argument as the number minus 1. 5. The number is printed. 6. The recursion continues until the number becomes lesser than 0. This is a Python program to read a number n and print the natural number summation pattern. Problem description: the program takes a number n and prints the natural number summation pattern. Problem solution: 1. Take a value from the user and store it in a variable n. 2. Use to for loop where the value of j ranges between the values of 1 and n and value of I ranges between 1 and j. 3. Print the value of I and plus operator while appending the value of I to a list. 4. Then find the sum of elements in the list. 5. Print is equal to followed by the total sum. 6. Exit. Here is the source code of the Python program to read a number n and print the natural number summation pattern. The program output is also shown below. Program explanation: 1. User must first enter the value and store it in a variable n. 2. The outer for loop enables j to range between 1 and n, as in plus 1 is not included, while the inner for loop enables I to range between 1 and I. 3. For each iteration, the value of I is printed. 4. Plus operator is printed only if I less than or equal to blank, div is equal to blank. This is a Python program to compute prime factors of an integer. Problem description: the program takes a number and computes the prime factors of the integer. Problem solution: 1. Take the value of the integer and store in a variable. 2. Using a while loop, first obtain the factors of the number. 3. Using another while loop within the previous one, compute if the factors are prime or not. 4. Exit. Here is source code of the Python program to compute prime factors of an integer. The program output is also shown below. Program explanation 1. User must first enter the value and store it in a variable. 2. The while loop is used and the factors of the integer are computed by using the modulus operator and checking if the remainder of the number divided by I is 0. 3. Then the factors of the integer are then again checked if the factor is prime or not. 4. If the factor of the integer has two factors, the factor is prime. 5. The prime factor of the integer is printed. This is a Python program to check if two numbers are amicable numbers. Problem description. The program takes two numbers and checks if they are amicable numbers. Problem solution. 1. Take in both the integers and store it in separate variables. 2. Find the sum of the proper divisors of both the numbers. 3. Check if the sum of the proper divisors is equal to the opposite numbers. 4. If they are equal, they are amicable numbers. 5. Print the final result. 6. Exit. Here is the source code of the Python program to check if two numbers are amicable numbers. Program explanation. 1. User must enter both the numbers and store it in separate variables. 2. Using a for loop and an if statement, find the proper divisors of both the numbers. 3. Find the sum of the proper divisors of both the numbers. 4. The if statement is used to check if the sum of proper divisors of the number is equal to the other number and vice versa. 5. If it is equal, both the numbers are amicable numbers. 6. The final result is printed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.